family. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and ready to make this super delicious and crunchy cheese sticks. I'm telling you, only 3 ingredients, which are the cheese. I use a different variety of cheeses. I use mozzarella, gouda, Gruyère, I don't know if you say it like that, Swiss cheese, like all shredded up. It's so good. And you only need cheese, eggs, and all-purpose flours, and you have a delicious and crunchy cheese sticks made at home that your kids are gonna enjoy. You can serve it with your favorite marinara sauce or whatever sauce you like. Now, are you guys ready to make this delicious cheese sticks? Let's get started with the recipe. Let's get started. In my bowl, I have here about a cup of mixed Gruyère, Gouda, and Swiss cheese shredded up. And we're also gonna add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And now we're gonna add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded up. Half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 whole egg. And with a baking spatula, we're gonna mix well. And then we're gonna use our hands so we can start kneading the mixture until it forms like a dough. As you can see, looks like a dough, and now we're ready to make our cheese. And this mixture made about 11 cheese sticks, as you can see, and now we're ready to fry them up. In my pan, I added about a cup to a cup and a half of olive oil, enough to fry the cheese sticks, and this is medium-high heat. We're gonna fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat until it's nice and golden on one side, and then we're ready to flip it on the other side. Okay, now we're ready to flip. As you can see, it looks so good, nice and golden. We're gonna do the same step, fry this up for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat until all sides are nice and golden, and then we are ready to remove it. And I'm placing it on top of paper towels, that way it can absorb the oil before we serve. And guys, these delicious cheese sticks, homemade with 3 ingredients, are done and ready. I served it with hot marinara sauce. Hot meaning I just heat it up. It's not spicy hot. You can use any sauce of your liking. I hope you guys enjoy the perfect cheese sticks appetizer made at home.